Topic covered in the UGC NET Archeology. Main topic asked for the archaeology were Gupta coins like inscription and issuer Ashvamedha coins, statement like question about Nagara and Vesara temple architecture, ask about site Chadraketugarh, also ask about the sites in Quetta Valley. They also ask about temple with their represent in match the following ages, which included in three age system. Arrange the sites in west to east order. Indus script books with their authors in match the following. Chronology of given ASI directors. Location of Tokwa site. I ask about Harappan scale, which was found from following sites. They ask about Ashokan pillar, the feature of Ashokan pillars are given. They ask about cultivation and domestication when they are started. They ask about Venus figurines and they ask about Asian calendar with their introduced date, etc.